Hey, what's up? Just checking in. I just wanted to show you the routine that I'm doing every single day because it's literally making me in the best shape of my life. I do 15 minutes of workout every single day, whether I'm at home or if I can't make it to the gym, then of course I just do it whatever I am at that moment, but I don't skip one day. And I do a full body workout during those 15 minutes. And then on top, I walk outside for about an hour to 2 hours. So ensure that you're getting your exercise in every single day because it is essential and it will change your life. If you do, you'll feel more in control and it will literally skyrocket your business or any projects that you're undertaking today. All right, carry on. See you on the next bit. I got to get back to work. All right, much love. And hit the subscribe button, share and like, and let me know if you have any questions. Please join us to make money online. To learn how to build your asset column, go to www.masterinvestor.life, and I'll see you in the inner circle. Made with love. See you on the next bid.